So this is Louetta I'm on right now. This is the vintage. That is the creek that is completely full, and there's some standing water up ahead. It's pretty nuts, actually, to see this like that. Wasn't planning on going through any water, but it looks like I can make it through okay. It's kind of crazy. Oh shit. We're gonna be alright. We gonna be alright. We gonna be alright. Wow, this is just to get out of the neighborhood. So gotta have to let this subside before we can go anywhere else. This is crazy. At least I can get to 249 now with a big ass truck.